Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage, Flip Garage, The Shed, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Tonight, defend the hustle on YouTube. Watch it, search for it. Have you ever heard of Big D, Fundamentals of the Side Hustle, and Regina Renee? Have you ever heard of my boy Casey from Carolina Hustler? Carolina Hustler. Yeah, go to his channel. Have you ever heard of what's the dude name from Texas? Yeah, the Lone Star Picker, Louis. Have you ever heard of him? And have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. What the hell? Yeah, but it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, it's another Freaky Five Friday. I'm gonna say it right one day. Yeah, I got the top 5 for the week on the Freaky Five Fridays. Yeah, let's go ahead and get to it, y'all. The number 5 was the paracord bracelets. You know, I bought them a long time ago. I had about 90 of them. I probably got about 10 left. I sell 1 or 2 a month, something like that. This guy bought 2 of them for $24. They $11.50 a piece, I think. Something like that. Anyway, he bought 2 of them. $24, $4 shipping and handling. Number 4 is the 3M Littman stethoscope. I sold that for $48. I paid $3 for it. I sold it for $48, $6 shipping and handling. Next up, number 3 is a Briggs and Riley laptop bag. I paid how much I paid for that? $4. I paid $4 for that. I had it on there for $65. Guy offered me $55 and I took it. Number 2 is the Jensen radio kit for a Bobcat. Yeah, that's number 2. I sold that for $120. I had on there for $140. I had on there for $140. The guy offered me $110. I sent him back an offer for $120 and I took it. I mean, he took it. So it's $120 plus $6 shipping and handling. Then the number 1. Woo, the number 1 thing was the Neon Genesis Evangelist Son, whatever that is. $225. I paid $1 for it because the DVDs are $1. So I paid $1 for that collection. $225. Free shipping and handling. I gave it to him for free, y'all. Woo! Other than that, hey, y'all wear y'all masks. Be safe. Next week, Freaky Five Friday, it's gonna be down again. It's gonna be a quick video. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, smash that like button. Subscribe. Tell your buddies to subscribe, and I'm out of here. Woo! Cause we pick in the hood too. Peace.